All right, so welcome to how to use the switcher. This is the monitor. This is the switcher control computer right here. And this is the ATEM software. All right, so what we've got right now, let's go back to the monitor. You will see we have coming in on camera number 1, me. Coming in on camera number 5, the lovely shot of the keyboard, and coming in on camera number 8 is whatever's coming out of the auxiliary. This is the first thing we need to check. The auxiliary, I'm going to set it to program. Okay, now that means that whatever is coming, the hyperdeck has the auxiliary and it is sending back on number 8 right here. This is your hyperdeck right now. So whatever is being sent to the hyperdeck is this guy, is the auxiliary. Watch. I'm going to send, let's send the, we'll send just the color. Should we do the color back? No, we'll go back to color bars. Go to color bars. See that? Okay, so your hyperdrive over here has color bars. Gonna go back and setting it to program. Awesome. So now we have these 3 things. Okay, camera 1, camera 5, and the hyperdeck. All right, let's switch back and forth between them. So first of all, you are in preview mode. Right now, there's 2 different types of switching mode. There's immediate cut mode and preview mode. And if you use the control key, it will turn on this red light. That's immediate cut mode, that's preview mode. Let's take a look at what preview mode does. If I want to preview something, I can click on it down here. The green sends that automatically. You know what? I'm just gonna send the color bars again. Okay, so that way you know what's coming out of the hyperdeck. There it is. It is preview. Okay, and so I'm previewing that. I'm previewing number 8. What is here? That's great. I love this, and I'm gonna hit the space bar. Or I can say auto or cut, but I want to train you guys to use the computer. Space bar, boom, throws it here. This is the program feed. This is what's going out to the world. Okay. If you want to cross dissolve, then you have to hit return and it does a cross dissolve. Isn't that nice? Notice that it puts it back. So you can actually just go back and forth between the 2. Now let's say we want something different to preview. Well, we're gonna go to our lovely keyboard. See how it's camera 5? We're going to hit number 5 right here. 5, it previews it. Okay, yep, I like that. I'm gonna hit the space bar and it's there. Cool. Now, that is preview mode. Here is immediate cut mode. It's exactly what it sounds like. I'm going to hit the control key to turn on immediate cut mode, and whatever number I press, it's going to switch to. So let's switch back to camera number 8. So I'm just going to hit 8 on the keyboard and boom, it sends it to program. Okay, number 5 is the actual keyboard itself. And I'm going to hit number 5. It automatically throws that to the program. This can be great for sports. It's excellent. Okay, if you know exactly what's going on, you might want to use immediate cut. Okay, but if you also want to know what is happening on preview, like if you're trying to get an instant replay together, then you want to throw that up on preview, especially if you're going to put some graphics on there. All right, last thing about running the switcher, and that is this guy right here, audio. Audio needs to be set for whatever camera microphone you want to use. At the moment, camera number 1 is turned on. Okay, I don't have camera number 5 turned on, and I certainly don't have camera number 8 turned on, because I don't want to create a feedback loop, quite honestly. Okay, because then that would just get all things going back and forth. Don't want that at all. But what I might want is I might want to go with auto follow video. Auto follow video means that it goes with whatever camera you have thrown onto program. So I'm going to, I have the program on right now. Actually, it switched automatically to this other camera. You might even be hearing me right now. It's a little bit more faded. Let me swap that. Whoops, I have to be back in the switcher mode, and I'm gonna go back to this. There we go. You can probably hear me a little bit better now. Okay, because this camera right here has its microphone going, pointed right at me. Okay, and I think that is basically all you need to know about the switcher. That's the crash course.